This is part one of a demonstration of Cyberdeck's Accounts Payable Manager. If you're a production accountant in the TV or movie industry, this is the tool for you. It's designed to help you organize all those PDF documents flying around your desktop, invoices, purchase orders, tracking sheets, and the like. There's more details on our products page on our website, details on screen. What we're not doing is replacing your back-end accounting system or your approval process. This is very much a user-friendly drag and drop front end to visually manipulate these documents, auditing as it goes, leaving the back-end systems to do what they do best. Let's see how it works in practice. I'll start by double-clicking the Sandy desktop icon. I know there's a lot of boxes here. It's a bit daunting at first, but let me take it bit by bit. I should also say that not everyone will need all these sections, particularly smaller productions. Yes, there are fixed rules about how documents flow through the sections, but it's very easy to move stuff quickly straight through a section you don't need. The basic flow here is invoices, purchase orders, the matching of these together for approval, payment processing leading to checks and remittance advices, eventually ending up as paid. Let me first enlarge it a bit, but still leave space on the left to assist import and export. Right here, for example, I have a folder of purchase orders that have been generated by one of our back-end systems. These might have been given to me via memory stick, emailed to me, or sitting in a shared folder of some sort. All I do to import a file is drag it into the relevant section. I probably looked at it earlier, but if not, I can open it now. If I've got Adobe Acrobat installed, this will let me edit the PDF there and then, perhaps to add some stamps or a transaction number from the accounting system. In my case, it's just loading up the PDF viewer built into Edge. You can see that we're working on a great low-budget blockbuster, Accountants Assemble. Season 1 went so well we got renewed. So here is the first PO, the main set, my well-known chippy, Bob the Builder from Birmingham. Let me drag in a second purchase order in the same way. And again, I can invoke a view of that. And while it's doing that, I'll tell you this is the on-location catering. So, typically, I'll want to record these new purchase orders in my back-end accounting system to get that transaction number, say. So, as I do that, I can move them from this first section to the entered POs by dragging from one section to another. The move reminding me I'm basically moving files between these sections. This is just as if I dragged and dropped between folders. Think of each of these sections as a folder on your desktop, if you like, under the control of the Accounts Payable Manager. I can rename a document to either right-click Edit Attributes, and you'll see as well as the name there's other things I can put in here. I won't do now, they're entirely optional, but they do help because you can organize files using these attributes that you've added. So I can do that by scrolling across here and clicking on any of these columns to sort by that column. So I'll do the same to the second purchase order, to move it across. And now let's move forward in time to deal with some invoices. So here's some new ones that just happen to match those two purchase orders I received earlier. So the same idea, I simply move them in to the new invoices section. I'll do both together there to show how easy it is to process multiple files. By the way, if I'm running an email system such as Microsoft Outlook, I can drag attachments straight from the incoming email into this section. So again, I boldly imported these without looking, so perhaps I will now have a look and just check. because I might want to see whether the invoice matches a purchase order or any other aspects. So yes, it looks good. So I might do some stamping to say received, matches PO. And when that loads up, that will be the end of part 1.